Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is of course required to download something. And secondly, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. So you can either do it after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So we will guide you through the whole process. And after that, we can finally enter the Play Store. So let me just go through it. And now we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is basically our account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device. And basically we've got two different ways which we can use. We can either tap on Updates Available here, or go to Manage and tap on Updates Available here. Basically it works the same. Here you can see the apps, you can mark those which you wish to download, update, and then tap on this update icon. In the first one, let me go here, tap on Updates Available. Basically we've got the same list, however without those ticking boxes, but with simply Update option. So we can do it manually just by tapping on Update, or tap on Update All at the top. It's basically up to you. And after tapping on Update, you have to simply wait because your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.